Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change or add favicon in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In your home menu, click on design and click on browser icon, and here you can see the favicon max file size is 0.1 MB. So click on this and the favicon icon, and you can select from library or you can upload file. And click on save. And you can also change or replace your favicon by clicking here. So this was how we can change or add favicon to our Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.